So it's now cleared a little bit now for the house number 6, the mother of Norman's house, and you can see that the family is helping to clear out the land to give some space. And what I plan to do here is in between the houses, like here in this area, there will be their cooking area where they can burn the wood and stuff. So they will be like a cemented cooking area before the start of the mother's house will be there. So around next week, when the flooring is done, the windows and door will be installed. Then they will be doing the toilet first, of course, because that's needed to avoid all this going out in the forest, and then before they start the mother's house. So it's mostly the girls are helping, and of course Norman. So you can see the space is now getting clear. It's getting wider than it used to be. So at least the children are helping getting it ready for the next build. And also it's making the area clean. And this is what I like to see, that the families are helping. You can see it's only the mother before, but now the siblings have come along. See, she got 8 children, and they come along here helping whenever they are free.
Dayong sa mother. Kami na sang mama magdayong. Kaway sa dong kaway. Okay naman ina. Asa man hima? Dire. Adto kuno kada dito